Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we're taking a look at a handy inspection tool, the ScopeAround Digital Microscope MS200 Autofocus Handheld Microscope. If you enjoy exploring tiny details, working with electronics, or inspecting coins, jewelry, or plants, this portable digital microscope makes the job much easier. One of the biggest highlights is the smart autofocus system. Instead of manually adjusting focus like traditional microscopes, this one quickly locks onto the subject and delivers a clear image almost instantly, making it much easier to use for beginners and professionals alike. It also comes with a 2.8-inch IPS display, allowing you to view magnified objects directly on the device without needing a computer. The screen shows bright, clear visuals so you can comfortably examine tiny details in real time. Lighting is another strong feature. The microscope includes dual LED illumination with 8 white LEDs and 8 UV LEDs, helping highlight surface details and even reveal hidden flaws like microcracks or residues. This makes it useful for electronics repair, jewelry inspection, biological samples, and more. The device is also lightweight and portable, weighing only about 0.25 pounds. That means you can easily carry it in a pocket or bag and use it anywhere, from classrooms and workshops to outdoor exploration. Another great advantage is USB compatibility with Mac and Windows, so you can connect it to a computer to view larger images, capture photos, or record videos for documentation or analysis. Overall, the ScopeAround Digital Microscope MS200 Autofocus Handheld Microscope is a versatile, easy-to-use tool that combines portability, autofocus convenience, and bright display viewing in one compact device. It's perfect for hobbyists, students, technicians, or anyone curious about the microscopic world. If you want to grab it for the best price, make sure to click the link below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.